Hey, welcome. So, this is a really fun one. While I was recording the series of Canva apps for this summer holidays, I happened to notice another one. I've seen it before, but I've never really used it. And I thought, that's really cool. I've got to show you guys. So, I'm adding in this one as well. It's creating coloring book pages. Now, I know I mentioned it in the one about with the sketchbook with the sketch style designs in, but this one actually gives you, it's AI generated. So it gives you a text box and you can type in what you want and it will create a coloring page for you. There are some limitations, but this is really awesome. So I'm going to show you how to do this. This is one I have generated just a few moments ago to show you what it can do. Now, this is where the limitations lie. Down the bottom here, can you see it says you have 4 credits left. You get 5 credits every day. So to use the free version of this, you can create 5 different coloring pages every day. If time is not a constraint, that is not a problem. You can create 5 today, 5 tomorrow, 5 the next day. Within a week, you've got nearly a coloring book created using this feature. So I'm going to just type in another one here for you. We'll add a page, a blank page. Let's go with 2 children playing on the swings in a park. So it can be as simple as that. And I will click generate, and Canva will now generate the coloring page for me. And you'll notice when it's done at the bottom, it will then go down to 3 pages. So it does keep a tally of exactly what you are doing when you are using the coloring book app. This is a normal app like all the others. It's in the app section on the left-hand side. Type in coloring book to the search bar and it will come up for you. You can then choose to use it in a new design or an existing design, and then it will appear on the left-hand side for you, this box here to type in your prompt. I'm going to set this image as a background. As you can tell, it's adding it as an image, not an element, so you can set it as the background. And I've got 2 children playing on the swings in the park. And I've got one of a deer in a forest. So this, I think, is really awesome. Okay, what about 2 children driving go-karts around a racetrack? You could also try an example yourself. You don't necessarily have to use or think of something yourself. You can just click trial, the trial button at the bottom, generate an idea for me, and Canva will come up with something. But it is using one of your 5 a day places. So don't keep clicking generate a new idea for me, because you will use your 5 spaces very, very quickly. Okay, right click, set to image so we can see it better. And I've got 2 children driving a go-kart round a racetrack. I think this is a fantastic app. And it really does. Let's try an example. Cozy living room with a fireplace and bookshelf, magical forest with unicorns and rainbows. Let's go with that one. This is great because it adds an image for you. So you can then put it into any design. It doesn't have to necessarily stay in this one. And you can print these off for your children. You can type in mandalas or patterns or something for you, print them off, collate them into a book, and then you've got some pages as well that you can use for colouring winter months, when you're bored, when you want something else to do. You can use these yourself. Look, I've now got a unicorn in a forest, which I can print off and use as a colouring page. I've got some great pens I bought recently, so I might be just doing that. Anyway, I've only got 1 credit left because I've created 4 pages today. I've got one left. Let's try another example. Beach with palm trees, magical forest. We've done that one. It's only giving me 3 different options. That's interesting. Okay, let's generate. It may be because I only have 1 credit left, but it's only giving me 3 different options. I'm going to add a new page. We can add it here. And then I've got my 5 designs for today. I can come back tomorrow and create another 5. So this is fun. I like this. You could create an A4 page template and use this feature. And then when you hit right click, set image as background, it will set it as a background for you. I like that one. That's really nice. So I've now got 5 colouring pages I can print off. Colour myself or for my children to use. That's fun. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. It was just an extra one I wanted to put in because I thought the colouring book feature was a really good one. Great for you to just play with during summer holidays or at any point that you want to do something different. So there we go. I hope you enjoy playing with this one.